Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure WAshing. We're out and about at this local business taking care of their awning. As you can tell, the awning just a little bit of dirt, a little bit of dirtiness, a lot of mold and mildew and lichen in the front that we have to be careful of. I'm going to put a high quality soap on it with something in the mix to actually kill the mold and mildew. I'm going to let it sit, I'm going to rinse it off, and we'll take a layers at a time, and then I'm going to lightly scrub to remove this front lichen to get it off. Join me as we do an awning cleaning. These are fun. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure WAshing. Okay, so there you go. That's the after. Now, what did you notice about the process that I used? Number one, I had two different types of brush. I had a softer brush for the top where it's more bouncy and wasn't quite as dirty, so I could hit that with a softer brush. Then I had a little bit harder bristle or medium bristle brush. Medium bristle brush is for removing that lichen and scrubbing that fabric really well. So two different types of brushes. Absolutely no pressure wand got anywhere close to this thing. It was all just flowing water, ball valve, and just getting water up there to rinse. I pre-wetted, put some soap on it, scrubbed it, rinsed. And I did that again because that's what this one needed. Sometimes you have to do them several times. Just to give you another idea. Now that's drying. That's going to be a while to dry. The fabric's going to wick that down and the heat's going to dry, but that's what it looked like before. That's what it looked like after. I'll be back out here as soon as it's fully dry to get a good after picture, after video, so you can see it fully dry where that blue is going to pop and it's going to look good. So anyway, one of our customers now taken care of, got an awning cleaning. They got several more awnings. I'm going to do them a little bit at a time so I can make videos and take pictures and do before and after type things. But join me on my next awning cleaning video. And if you've got an awning to be cleaned, don't let just anybody get a hold of it. Let TLC take care of it at 615-405-8731. Y'all have a good day now.